Have you ever seen an airplane nose run before?
All aboard to Flight 120.
Are you ready to fly?
Stibbity dop 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 dop. Yes, 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 yes. Stibbity dip, stibbity double 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 double. Yes, yes.
Attention passengers, we are departing in T-minus 987654321.
It is just me or the airplane nose is running.
Why we are not moving?
May I have your attention, please? The flight is delayed until we catch the airplane's nose.
Who will catch the airplane's nose?
I'm going to enjoy my donuts and my s'mores hot cocoa.
Attention all units, the airplane nose is running.
How an airplane nose run? Airplanes nose don't produce mucus.
My pipe. Did you see that? The airplane nose is running.
Did you see that? Should we call the air police to catch the running airplane nose with that this way?
Here is the phone.
32.
What the heck? Why the airplane nose is running? What do we should do?
Then use your tissue to catch it.
Wow. The new Demon Slayer episode is cool.
I like when Michiro attacks Hantangu with fourth form shifting flow slash.
And the part when Michiro protects Kotetsu from a demon reminds me when my friend protects his younger brother from getting bullied.
Excuse
Hi.
me.
What you
Guys.
guys are doing?
What you are wearing?
I'm wearing a tank top.
Did you know what 1 Timothy 2 verse 9 said?
No.
I also want the women to dress modestly with.
What the heck? Am I dreaming?